How to select seats on Air New Zealand. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can select seats on Air New Zealand. So how do you select seats? To select seat is simple. You have two ways, all right? You can select your seat while booking a flight, and you can also select seat after you booked a flight. So maybe you skipped the option initially and now you would like to book a seat or change your seat. You can do that. So while booking your flight, after entering in your location as well as your destination, and you've entered in the date, you've searched for the flight, gotten your flight, you've entered in your passengers details, you will get to the point where you'll be asked to select it. So ensure you select your seat that way. Another way is if you have booked your flight already and you would like to select it, you are still not disadvantaged. What you need to do is to log in into your Air New Zealand account. Then click on the Manage Booking section and you'll be taken to the Manage Booking page. On this page, you'll be asked to enter in the booking reference, the number that was sent to you after you made payment for your flight. And once you've done that, enter in your last name for your flight to be displayed. And then once the flight has been displayed, the next step would be for you to select the flight that you would like to select seat for. Then once you're on this flight page, choose the seat select option. Okay, while choosing that, you'll be taken to the page. A page will be displayed where you will see the seat map to see your preferred seat and the ones that are free. So you can choose from the standard seat, you can choose from the preferred seat, or you can exit row seat with extra legroom. So review your selection, confirm your seat choice, and you might need to pay an additional fee depending on your fare type. So that is it. So find your way to manage booking, select the flight, select your seat, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a good day.